Oh snap. I need a haircut.
He needs some milk.
Alright YouTube, it's ezflykha. So I'm gonna show y'all how I shape up my hair and make it look all, you know, neat and whatnot. Alright. First things first, go and get yourself in the bathroom. Easiest place to clean up. You're gonna need a broom. If you got one of these, take this joint out. You get on out of here. Great. Alright, so the things you're gonna need. You're gonna need yourself a brush. It's like $2. A mirror, it's like $1. A clipper, it's like 30 or so. Go to Walgreens, easy. Walmart, probably get it for cheaper. Most importantly, you're gonna need a trimmer. Now, this one's gonna run you maybe like 60, 70 bucks. But I'm telling you, it's an investment. Cause listen, watch this, right? You go to the barber shop and you get your hair cut, $20. Maybe it's more. I haven't been there since high school. You get your hair cut, you wait a week or two, you get another haircut, 40 bucks, right? So that means in a month you spend 40 bucks. Now, if you go get yourself one of these, boom, 60, right? This is probably 30, so we're talking 90. And let's say we add these two things, we got 100. $100 and you have haircuts forever. You do the math. How much money am I saving? Alright, so if you got hair like me, you want to get your hair out the way. Last thing you want is to nick your braids and you're gonna be looking like a crazy person. So go get yourself one of these little hair ties, wrap your joint up, get all your hair out the way. Alright, next you want to brush away the hair that you're gonna cut from the hair that you're not gonna cut. Here comes the mirror. I can't see in the back of my head. Can you? So I'm gonna use this to see the back of my head. Use this one, hold it in front of you, and use your mirror that's in your bathroom. Then you look at yourself in the back. Oh, my hair came out. Alright, so once you brush your hair down, you separate the hair that you want to cut from the hair that you don't want to cut. You're ready to start. Alright, so for me, I'm just trying to do a little fade. So it's going to be light here and then slowly gradient up to the top. Let's see. Alright, so what I do, I get the clipper. I put this joint right here all the way to the end. This gives us the most space. So it's going to be the lowest cut. I'm going to start at the top and I'm just going to get the actual level that I want everything to be. And then work on the fade after the fact. Alright, so right now I'm just checking, make sure that I have it to the actual length that I want. And now I'm going to work on the actual precise stuff and work on that actual fade. Alright, now pull out the trimmer. Alright, don't get autofocus, get the hell off. What I'm going to do with this trimmer is I'm going to start my first line. Okay, so I'm going to make a line. I'm going to shave all the hair off with the little trimmer. And then I'm going to slowly gradient all the way up. I don't know what I'm going to do with this beard here. Yeah, I got a beard. Okay? Shut up. Alright, so now I'm starting with the fade. I got the first little thing here. I got the first line. I'm gonna use this. Remember it was right here? Now I'm pushing it all the way to the front. Okay, and now when I'm moving up, I'm gonna slowly go back to what I was at before. Okay, so the idea is to get rid of this line. How am I doing? The back is probably the hardest part, not gonna lie, but honestly, just do it. Honestly, you make a mistake, just, you know, fix it up. You just gotta work with it, honestly, just work with it. Alright, so I see one thing I don't like. So I kind of made the fade a little too light, but it's alright. It's not like, you know, terrible. But in the back here, so I'm saying, I told you the back is always the hardest. It's always the hardest, but you just gotta do it. I see one little thing in the back here. It's a little bit darker than I want. So I'm gonna try to fix that. Let's see. Alright, so when you're trying to fix something like that, you gotta go around all the way. That's the only way to make it even. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so I'm doing now. I'm gonna get the line up. Most important. I don't care about the fade. I really don't. Look, it's alright. The line up is probably the most important thing. And I'm gonna do this beard too. Now, one of the best things I like about doing my own lineup, when you go to a barber, this is just my opinion. Sometimes I feel like they do that thing where they try to make like a little peninsula, a little Florida on your head, and your joint's going out like this. Whoop. No, I don't want that. I want my hair to be straight, okay? I'd rather it be straight. I don't want to have a little peninsula on my forehead, okay? The last part, I got the little 1.5 millimeter, and I'm just gonna go all the way up and down this, make it one level. That's it. Simple as that. Ooh. Okay. Alright, that's all there is to it. Like, comment, subscribe. Peace out. Quick story. So the reason that I don't go to the barbershop is something that happened in 10th grade. I went to the barbershop and there was this lady there. I had never seen her before, but you know, hey, all the barbers are the same, right? So this lady, she started cutting my hair, you know, doing everything. And when I tell you this lady jacked my hairline up, she gave me a straight up mountain slope. My joint was like this, 90 degrees. It was horrible. I had to have a hat for the next 2 weeks. I never went back to the barbershop again.